Hey guys, it's me, your friend, Miss Spicy X, and you are back on the Spicy X channel. And today, we're going to be reacting to Fly Like a Bird, Mariah Carey cover with Miss Maury, you know, our favorite singer. But before we go, don't forget to grab your hot Cheetos. Grab something spicy, and if not, go grab a beverage of any sort you want. Or even grab some water. And we'll get started. I'll give you 2 seconds to go get yours. Oh, I'm sorry, I should have offered you mine first. Here. Would you like some? Anyways, you get 2 seconds to go get your own if you don't take my offer. 1, 2, let's
there's a place up above. Know my heart and struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love of one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you right now. I need you right here by my side.
Oh, I like that face she's making.
Keep your head up. With God's love you'll survive. Fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you, Lord, Lord, carry me high. Please let the world break me tonight, tonight, tonight. I pray you come and carry me home. You come and take me home. Yeah. Fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you, Lord. Yeah. Carry me high, 'cause I need the strength of you to survive. Life can be so cold. Carry me home. Carry me
Yes!
Carry me higher. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Wow! Oh, she's amazing! If I didn't have hot Cheetos, I'd give her another standing ovation. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. Wow. That was so good. I don't know what to say. Like, she always leaves me speechless. I like how she ends. Like, she's like proud of herself. She's like, yes. Standing ovation with hot Cheeto fingers. Well, can't make a mess. I'm wearing pants now because I had to go out, so I had to put pants on. But anyways, high five if you have hot Cheeto fingers too. Wow, that last note though, she just like, her voice could tear down a wall. She's got to be the best. So awesome. Oh, and then that's another thing. I forgot to make a comment. That bass player, guitarist, and pianist, featuring Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tambenda. Those guys were amazing, and I just wanted to recognize them too, because not only does he play bass and guitar, but man, that other guy playing piano, I just loved his bass riffs and how he just, I don't know how to explain it. And then he was playing the acoustic guitar part also as well. To have a multi-talent like that does not come easy. It comes with lots of practice. I know. But to know, be proficient in both is a huge deal, because it's like, you know, there's always a band, there's always going to be a guitarist, so, you know, sometimes a guitar is not really, you know, needed, because there's always somebody who plays it. It's just whether you play it well or not. That puts you ahead of the game. Then everybody will want you, despite all the other amateurs. But when you know bass, and they already have that spot filled, you could just be like, well, I know how to play bass. And this guy obviously is very proficient in both. And I am so impressed, because his bass lines were just on point. And instead of hindering the singer, it just helped her. It was like her base, her foundation. And that is a true bass player. Anyways, guys, I just never know what to say. Those whistle tones get me every time. I mean, not only is she beautiful, she's just so talented. She's amazing. I kind of wonder what she's like in real life. Anyways, guys, I hope that you all have a good day. And if not, I hope it gets better. And don't forget to eat something spicy, because your mom told you to with her hot Cheeto fingers. Have a nice day.